amigos, today I'm going to dive into an important topic, which is objections during sales calls. In our industry, sales is a vital part of building a successful cleaning business. It is what brings customers in the door and keeps your cleaners busy. But how do you handle the objections and increase your closing rate? Let's take a look at the top 5 objections we often come across during inbound calls. The price is too high. Here's the solution. Focus on the value and benefits of your cleaning service provides. Highlight how your team goes above and beyond to create a clean, safe, and healthy living environment for the customer. Also emphasize the quality of your work and the long-lasting results they can expect. I need to think about it. Here's the solution. Address any concerns and uncertainties the customer might have. You need to provide additional information about the benefits of your cleaning service, such as saving them time and energy and offering peace of mind. You can also offer a limited time discount or offer an incentive like a free oven cleaning to encourage them to make the decision. Your quote is higher than everyone else. Here's the solution. Differentiate your cleaning business by emphasizing the unique value you offer. You need to highlight the professionalism and expertise of your cleaners, the attention to detail of your cleaning crew, and the exceptional customer service you provide. Show how choosing quality over price leads to better long-term results. Can I trust the cleaners in my house? Here's the solution. Reassure the customer by emphasizing your company commitments to safety and security. Share the background checks and training that your cleaners go through and highlight how many customers' reviews you have online to build trust and credibility. DM me the World Sales and I'll send you the script that we use to tackle these and even more objections. Are you struggling to scale your cleaning business beyond 10K or 20K in revenue? It is time to level up your game.